Design.
Asa kasi ano, sir, sabi natin.
DRT. Dona Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan. Thanks to Sandri, he gave us a tip on this landscape. So we're looking forward. Hopefully it's nice. Dona Remedios Trinidad is gaining popularity. A lot of peaks and waterfalls are getting attention. Dona Remedios Trinidad was named after the mother of Imelda Marcos. Ferdinand Marcos issued a decree on 1977, if I'm not mistaken, declaring this as a municipality.
Dating
2.4 kilometers in. Trail is very runnable. Very nice. It's been cleaned. Our estimate length of trail is at least 15. Now we're here to find out. A lot of fork roads, but we see. Oops. Alright, I think we're going under. We're going under. Alright. Yeah, it can be confusing. There are so many forks. And it's like right now, real time is happening. We have to navigate. We have guides, but it's a big group. You know, 2 guides makes it more fun. I just realized we don't have water source. That means we have to conserve our water. That's why I'm eating. um, and it is hot right now. It's going to be a challenge. It means we have to conserve talking, and that gets us really exhausted and thirsty. So it looks like we just have to do some slow runs and take photos, rest between. So that's our strategy for now.
That trails is for everyone.
Yes, it's a good message. Yeah.
It was a fulfilling day, quite exhausting. We wanted to run most of the time, but the heat got us and we had no water left. We like to aim high, but it's never about having a perfect plan. Going to the mountains is about adapting and being able to embrace the unforeseen. That makes it an adventure. With preparation, experience, and support from your teammates comes the ability to turn challenges into an awesome story. Despite all the pain, do always remember to have lots of fun and inspire other people.